worthy of praise like Anubis and wept while wet. Dismiss what I played at thee, Adamu could, must have wrong should. Slick spit from a hater seat, all the crew stood of a strong wood. This dicks with the fate of tea, read I move hoods, bro, your song should. Critics, what they say to me is that I'm too good for my own good. A lot of my people in circles around the hood, they treat my music like a blind. Too much emotion and too many cadences, they want you on the mic a zombie. Lyrically against the fickle listener, quick to pistol whip you like a Chauncey. Can I step with a thicket like a Shanti? Spit a web of witty quite a Nancy. It's just a ridiculous embrace the problem. I don't wanna reach it, I wanna see it the moment I speak it, don't wanna receive it, the one I'm alone at the time. It becomes so invisible, so then your name don't spark up. Opponent, I really don't wanna concede it, they don't compete it, they turn and retreat it, they run and I'm gonna forget. Rigorous fail when idols give it, wicked as hell and pyro with it, gibberish cells and I grow vicious, nigga this Dell and hieroglyphics. Too good at a thing you just might be. I can't even do a versus with you, cause I'm gonna.
I'm just too good for my own good. 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 I'm just too What else can I do? Standing next to you, ruin your career, exacerbate your fear, make it so you can't ever
You gotta hear that lighter when Lil Wayne coming in. Too good.
No, I'm too great. I'm like 2 Trey with the flu weight. Talking shit and out of toothpaste. Big B's, Bobby Boucher. On my wrist, I got the skeleton Richie with the see-through face. Drop the whip without the toothpaste. Pregnant pistol, got a due date. I'm too good for my own good. I cross my heart, I knock on wood. I lost my heart, I found my foot. I stand my ground, that ground I stood. I walk my walk, that ground it shook. That time I bought, that time I took, that time I put inside these thoughts. And since this art, they gotta look. I'm one of the boldest to rep my set. I don't do computers, but I sip tight tech. I don't do computers, but my chips like that. I don't do computers, but my shooters put a bullet wound in your apple. It look bit like Mac, just like that, like this, like that. My drip like splat. With lips like that, you kiss my gat, just my black. Beat the beat up like this track, trying to fist fight back. When the producer heard this verse, it left his eye black. As my chef, I eat rappers, I like mine's prep. Still an ex-con, feeling like the only icon left. That's real shit, I'm still a shit. I ain't white mine yet. The greatest of all time, and I got a lifetime left.
I'm just too good for my own good. 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 I'm just too good.
All right, welcome back, Team DWC. It's your boy TWP Popcorn. Y'all already know what time it is. It's 10 a.m. Sunday. Come back and look for your boy 6 p.m. Wednesday, or it's 10 a.m. Saturday, because you know those are the times your boy Corn gonna stay consistent and pop up on you. You dig? Be popping up like your alarm clock in the morning. Like, hey, that boy live. If you ain't got your notification bell set for all, you gonna be over there asleep talking about Happy Father's Day. Hell, fuck Father's Day. Hell, you know how we go. I'm gonna say what's up to my pops whenever I see him here in a minute. But hell, I don't care about Father's Day. Hell, it's just another day in paradise. But for the people that do like Father's Day, blah 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 blah. Shouts out to the shit that's going on in the world, because we're gonna talk about perspectives today. Because you know that's what we talking about. Things that's going on with cannabis, and people can give their perspectives about it. Hell, don't nobody like fathers no more. They say it's toxic masculinity. Yeah, it's toxic being a damn dad, because you're going to have to get up and do what needs to be done 24/7, no matter how you feel about it or how other people feel about it. Hey, these bills ain't going to pay themselves. The kids ain't going to feed themselves. And you damn sure don't want to take care of me. So, yeah, you know how fathers are. They take care of everybody, but nobody cares about what they got going on. Hey, how you feeling today? Motherfucker, why are you asking me how I feel today? I feel horrible. But guess what